Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best travel bed bug spray on the market, the Hygea Natural Extra Strength Bed Bug and Mite Travel Spray. If you're someone who travels frequently, you know how easy it is to accidentally bring home unwanted pests like bedbugs, mites, or fleas. This spray offers a powerful, natural solution to keep those creepy crawlies at bay wherever you go. The Hygea Natural Bed Bug Spray comes in a compact 3-ounce bottle, making it perfectly sized for travel and TSA approved for carry-on luggage. This means you can easily take it on planes, in taxis, or to your Airbnb without worrying about restrictions. It's designed to be your go-to defense when staying in hotels, motels, or any unfamiliar place where bedbugs might lurk. What sets this spray apart is its extra strength formula, which is 66% stronger than their previous version. Originally developed for professional pest control, Hygea Natural has now made it available for everyday use, empowering travelers and homeowners alike to handle infestations quickly and effectively. Despite the power, it remains safe for households with children and pets, offering peace of mind that you're not exposing your loved ones to harsh chemicals. Another key feature is its versatility. The spray is odorless and leaves no stains, so you can confidently apply it on water-friendly surfaces like mattresses, upholstery, bed linens, clothing, floors, and even walls. This means you don't have to worry about damaging your belongings while protecting yourself from pests. A light mist is all you need to create a protective barrier against bedbugs and mites, without any sticky residue or unpleasant smells. Hygea Natural doesn't just sell you the product. They also provide helpful travel tips with every purchase. These tips guide you on the best practices for using the spray effectively to prevent bedbugs from hitching a ride home with you. Following these recommendations ensures you get the most out of the spray's powerful formula. Whether you're a frequent traveler or just want to protect your home from bedbugs and mites, this spray offers a convenient and reliable solution. Its small, travel-friendly size, powerful yet safe formula, and ease of use make it an excellent choice for anyone concerned about pest control on the go. That wraps up our review of the Hygea Natural Extra Strength Bed Bug and Mite Travel Spray. If you want a natural, effective, and travel-ready spray that's friendly for your family and pets, this could be the perfect product for you. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights.